Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of deleting a credit card from the Tripadvisor app on your Android phone. Managing your payment methods is important for security and convenience, so let's get started step by step. First, open the Tripadvisor app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap the account icon. Then, scroll down a bit and tap on Preferences. Then select Payments Preferences to open the Payment Settings page. Now, find the credit card you want to delete from the list. Following that, click on the Recycle Bin icon next to the card. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking the Delete button. This will remove the selected credit card from your account. That's all there is to it. Removing a credit card from the Tripadvisor app is quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.